You know what? There are always two kind of the people living everywhere. First is extrovert. Extrovert is a persons who like to spend their times with the other people, and the other one is the introvert who like to spend their times with themselves. For example, Facebook founders Mark Zuckerberg, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Albert Einstein, and Warren Buffett. So these are all introvert people who like to spend their times with themselves. So there are some five special qualities which are found exclusively in the introvert people. So let's see which are these five quality, and you also see that from these five quality which are found in you. So let's get started. The first and the foremost qualities of the introvert people is less comparison. Extrovert people always like to spend their times with the other people. So due to this habit, they always compare their life with the life of the other people. If other people get some extra things with them, then they get unhappy, nervous, and stay upset. But this quality is not found in the introvert people. Introvert people spend their most of the time with themselves, so due to this they don't compare their life with the other people, but instead of this they compare their life with themselves only. So they always keep on improving their life day to day due to comparing their life with themselves. So this is the best quality which found exclusively in the introvert people, is that they don't compare their life with the other people. The second quality of the introvert people is self-dependent. Extrovert people like to spend their times with the other people, so whenever they want to do any kind of the things or they want to go anywhere, they always depend on the other people. Their lot of works always depend on the other people, and in comparison the introvert people always spend their time with themselves. So they don't for their any kind of the task, they don't depend on the other people, they depend on them only. So this is the second qualities of the introvert people, is that they are always self dependent. There are the third qualities of the introvert people, is that they set the goal and achieve them. So the possibility of success of the introvert people is high in comparison to the extrovert people. Extrovert people always set their goal, but they don't take the decision on that goal. They depend on the decision of the other people, and due to this they always postpone their goal, and the success rate of the extrovert people is less in comparison to the introvert people. And introvert people also set the goal, but they take the decision on that goal by themselves, and due to this the success rate of the introvert people is so high. So this is the third quality is found exclusively in the introvert people. These are is that they are always successful in life in comparison to the extrovert people. The fourth qualities of the introvert people is that they are confident. Extrovert people always compare their lives with the other people, they are depend on the other people, and their success rate is also low in comparison to the introvert. So due to all these things, extrovert people are less confident in comparison to the introvert. And on the other hand, introvert people are self dependent, they always compare their life with themselves, and they are always successful in the life. So due to all these things, introvert people are always confident in the life. So this is the fourth qualities of introvert people. The last qualities of the introvert people is that they are always happy and they satisfied. Extrovert people, due to the comparisons with the other people, dependence due to depend on the other people, and their success rate is also low, and their confidence is also low. So due to all these things, the extrovert people are less happy and less satisfied about their life. And on the other hand, introvert people, they don't compare their lives with the other people, they are always self dependent, they are always successful in life, and their confidence rate is also high. So due to all these things, the introvert people is always happy and satisfied in their life. So these are all the five qualities which are found exclusively in the introvert people. So from all these 5 things, which are the qualities which found in you also? So tell me in the comment section. And if there are any other qualities which are found in the introvert people and missing in the video, you also tell this quality in the comment section. So this is all for the today. If you like this video, then click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. We will soon meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.